Hello, I'm Miguel. Today I'm gonna bake for you Toto, Jamaican Toto. So you're gonna need flour, evaporated milk, vanilla, sugar, butter, cinnamon, grated nutmeg, salt, shredded coconut, eggs, and I'm using a 4 by 12 pan, baking pan. So measure all the dried ingredients. Measure all the flour, make sure it's even. Measure out the right flour that you're using. Okay, I'm not ready to sit yet, so I'm just putting all my dried ingredients in a container. So I'm just using this plastic that I have. So add the flour. Add the cinnamon, add the nutmeg, add the salt, I didn't say it earlier, but you're gonna need baking soda and baking powder. Add the baking soda, add the baking powder. First level the baking powder. Now put this aside, we're going to sieve it later. Just going to put the ingredients aside. Now your coconut, break it. You can take out this coconut water. You can drink it once it's not sour. I'm gonna taste it. Wow, that one is sweet. As much as I like to use coconut, I don't like doing this. It's always a challenge. So once you break that apart and then you get in a cut, just be careful, yeah. Just be careful. Just prise this up. I heard that this little thing, in some countries it's called a cook. This little thing here, sometime when you break a coconut, you see this big round thing in it and you think it's spoiled, but no, it's called a coconut apple, and they sell it very expensive. So, and it's good for cancer, it's good for bladder disease or cancer or whatever, and various different cancer. In some countries they eat it. Look people, I'm not telling you anything that I don't know. It's this coconut apple, I eat it. Every time I see it, I just chew it and eat it. It tastes really nice. And it didn't do anything to me over the years. Let's take this out. Alright. Now we're going to rinse this. So rinse it. Make sure it's all clean and pretty. Now we're going to grate to this. Alright, this is how I store my grater. I put it in a bag, I tie it and I hang it up. Sometimes you don't use a grater for a while and then dust gather on it. And this is a good grater. This is a stainless grater. Stainless steel or aluminum. So now we're gonna grate to this. Once you get to this small, eat this. Check this out. Alright. So once you do that, let's measure the amount you need. Measure out the amount you're going to use. Make sure it's the right amount. Alright, and just cover it and put it aside till you're ready. Alright, next let's cut out 2 sheets. 2 sheets. 1, 2. Cut out 2 sheets. two papers together properly. Put this aside. We're going to grease this now. Alright, I have this in the fridge, so let's grease the pan. Grease it, grease it, grease it. Grease it thoroughly, right around in the edges, and right around. Right, our greasy side up. Let's lay these in. Let's lay them in. And I'm calling this insurance. So you just grease this just a little to ensure. This is insurance. Ensure it don't stick. Let's put this aside until we're ready for it again. So now we're gonna sieve the dried ingredients. This is all the dried ingredients that we measured earlier. So you just add that to that. You just sieve. Let's see if you might see any unwanted product in it, like stone or whatever. Although it's very unlikely. But we sieve this to lighten the flour, but we totally enough to lighten the flour, but I'm sieving it still. So you sieve. Alright, this is the salt. You just work the salt out. And take this from a nutmeg. So you just throw that out. Add the butter. Add your butter. This is a stick, so this is half and a quarter. Alright? So add your butter. Now measure out the wet ingredients. Measure out this evaporated milk. Measure out the proportion that we're using. Alright, that's good. Add the sugar. Measure out the sugar. Alright, add the sugar. Add the vanilla. Then you should add the eggs. One egg. The eggs. But I'm not going to yet. When it's almost time to put it in, we're gonna put egg in. So let's stir this in until it's dilute. Now after you add the butter to the flour, just work the flour out. Just mince it in, just mince it. You can either do this or you can melt it. Either. Or you can use oil and add the oil to the liquid. So you just do this, work the butter in the flour all around. And you can also cream the sugar with the butter. The point is just to work the butter out. Oh, now would be a best time to preheat your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, at least 8 to 10 minutes before you're ready to bake. So work this out. So once that's completed, just work out all the flour. Preheat your oven 8 minutes or 10 minutes before 400 degrees before baking. So you add your shredded coconut. You can buy this in the store. You can just buy the shredded coconut if you don't want to do all that. You just mix that in. I recommend you break this in a separate dish, but what I do, I like to smell it. You can smell it if it's fresh, and then just break it. Trust me, you will know if it's rotten. Nobody likes rotten egg. So you just stir this in. Stir this in. And smell it already. So let's pour it in. Try and get as much of this good nice cream out. Alright. So stir this in. See, let's mix it. Mix, mix. Mix it. So once you do it's firm, it's the texture you want to get. You just mix it. I can see the pieces of butter in it, but it's good. That means it's gonna melt while it bakes. Alright. You get your baking tray, baking pan. Alright, this recipe is half the size of the one that I have on my website. But on the website you would have a big tray, about this big, and just lay it in, and then you just cut it like. But do that. I use what I'm using what I have. I don't have a big tray. Alright, the oven should be already preheated. See, let's get this out. Let's lay it in. Let's lay it in. And it's best fast as possible. Just put it in. Alright, so once you complete that, alright, so put it up in the corner, make sure it's even. Alright, so that's that. There we go. Alright, this is the best part, easy part. Just flatten it. Make sure it's even. So now, put your cake in the middle rack, well, right there. Set your timer for 30 minutes. And listen for the, that's how it looks 10 minutes in. You can see it rise a little. So that's 10 minutes already. This is 15 minutes in. See, it starts splitting in the middle. Alright, this is a smaller can and this took 20 minutes. If you were doing a 8x12, it would take about 30 minutes. But this I'm doing a 4x8. A 4x12. So take it out. Toto. A way to see if it's ready is to take a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, it's ready. Or dry. So dry this is, it's ready. So now we're going to make a glaze. If you don't have one of those Iceland bags, you can just take a regular bag, a cup, Iceland sugar, so add 1 tablespoon. Cool. Make sure it's powdered. That's true. I'm going to add some water now. Add like a drip of water. This is the glaze. We're going to glaze it. Just twist aside until you're ready. Oh, this is grease paper. I'm just using this from a tray right now. Yes. Score this. So this is a Toto. So you just turn it upside and just tap it. Some more of this. And remove this. Alright, that's the Toto. And we're gonna glaze it. I'm gonna cut it. So we're gonna cut it like this, in squares. That much and that much. So you get 4 from this. So, Toto. Smell it. Smell it for you. Wow, it smells nice. You see, the egg, why I talk about the egg, putting the egg in the last minute, because you don't want this to be raw. It smells nice. So this is Toto. So now I'm gonna glaze it. Alright, this is our makeshift thing. So you just take this off. Like that. And just glaze it. If you have some color, you can add it to this. Some food coloring, a little teeny bit, not that much. Just glaze it with color. I know this is kind of sloppy, but I'm just doing a thing. So that's Toto with my glaze. So this is Toto. 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 Now I'm gonna taste this for you. Oh my God. Oh, sorry. Yes. No. Let's stop this. I noticed lately I've been talking like this. I don't want you to think I'm trying to. But that first bite was heavenly to me. I wish you could see the grains in it, the cinnamon. The blend is nice, it's not too sweet. Not too dry too.
You can eat this without milk.
It's nice with milk. Why this thing out here so much? Put my camera in micro image. I don't know if it's gonna capture it, but look, it's the flour. My hands look so white. No, the sugar from the glazing. Look. I'm gonna cut this 1, 2 and bag it.
Once it's cool, do not bag it if it's warm. Don't tie it while it's warm, or it's cooked. I hope you guys don't mind me showing you when I eat, because I want to do this so you can see from beginning to end. Only one part you're not going to see is when, well, I'm not going to say what that is. Toilet, really. But that's why I do this. I want you to see everything. So that's it. Visit my website. The ingredients is right down there. JamaicaDinners.com, and click Jamaica Bakes over there. Jamaica Bakes. Click that, and the ingredients is down there.
Bag it once it's cool because I want it to be fresh. I'm not gonna tie it yet, it's still kinda warm. I want it to cool. That way I can clean up too. So this is a way to store it. You keep it out for about 1 or 2 days and put it in the fridge after that. But the way them things that taste nice, it's not gonna last a day. Oh, my friend Marjorie in my old neighborhood used to make this a lot. My mom never used to bake this, but she used to bake this, and them used to burn it. It used to be black on this side, but the taste was just the same. Just cut off the bun.